Hi everyone! Today I'm unboxing a new ball-jointed doll from Dolkstation. They have sent me Windflower in white skin made by Spirit Doll for review, so please join me. This is the package it comes in the mail. I opened the box to make sure what it was, but I have not looked inside yet, so this is a surprise for me too. Here is the tag so you know everything that comes in the box. Next, they included a calendar that shows some of the dolls that Dolkstation sells. Oh wow! Most dolls comes in a box, but this one comes in a nice bag. This bag is really well made. It has the Spirit logo on the side. Let's open up the bag to see what's inside. Nice zippers! So they got the doll strapped in there with some quick release buckles so she won't move during shipping. The whole doll is nicely wrapped in this nice cushion. It's a little tight coming out of the bag. Oh, they also included a shoulder strap so you can carry it around easier. Now it's time to unwrap this mummy. Oh, it's a little package of something. What's in it? Oh, it's her birth card. There she is, all covered in bubble wrap. Here is the doll, but what's in these little packages? She has some extra legs and extra feet. These are the ankle joints. Just a little heads up. This is a basic doll set, so it does not include a wig, any outfits, or even eyes. I will put a link to where you can buy this doll in the description below, along with some information about the doll, so please check it out. Now that she's all unwrapped, let's have a look at her. She's a normal ball-jointed doll for the most part. She does have double joints at her elbows. The legs do have a somewhat range of motion and a single jointed knee. But she does have these high-heeled feet that are molded directly onto the lower leg, which probably look good with high heels that show off her ankles. She also comes with a second set of legs and feet for flat shoes, and the ankle in the set has articulation. She's made out of a hard resin, which seems durable, but be careful not to drop her on the floor anyways, just to be safe. She comes with a full face-up, which is usually not included in a basic doll set, and they have done a very nice job. She looks very pretty, even with her hollow horror movie eyes. I especially like the eyelashes. If you look closely, you can see there are little white highlights. This is the kind of makeup I want to wear during the winter. I think it's very pretty. So inside her skull is pretty normal. I don't see a maker's mark or serial number, but there is a logo on the outside of the skull plate, which is held on with a magnet. Here are some pictures from the website so you can see what she looks like, all dressed up in a full set version. But because you're buying the basic doll set, you can dress her up any way you want. You can find the links for this doll and where to buy it in the description below. Please check it out. If you have any more questions, please contact Dolkstation. They should be able to tell you everything you want to know about this doll. If you like this video, please thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you again next time.